lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally This TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use lemon and ginger for a quick flat tummy and weight loss. Yes, those home remedies are genuine, work very fast without no side effects because we're using natural ingredients. Now, before we get into the video, please, if this is your first time watching my video and you have not subscribed, please press the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you'll be notified and watch, and also to share and give me a thumbs up to your friends. We all know the benefits of lemon and ginger. Lemon, as it is rich in amino fatty acids and also rich in vitamin C, helps increase our metabolism, and with the ginger brings heat to our body to melt out any fat that is in our body, and also good and great for our health. So as we get into the video, we are going to start out by needing a saucepan, and I'm going to cut my ginger into pieces. You can grate your ginger. Yes, you can grate your ginger, but this method I'm going to cut them into pieces. As you saw it, I've really freshly cleaned it. This is so simple, so easy to do. Now, what the next step is, I'm going to add a glass of water to it. Alright, you cover it, you bring it to a boil. Yes, so let's see how so guys, I've allowed it to boil for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to cover it up, allow it extra 5 minutes for it to simmer. Yes, for it to simmer for 5 minutes, then we get back to it. Alright, so we have allowed our ginger drink to simmer, so I'm now going to use my glass and a strainer to sieve it. That's the consistency that we got. So I proceed to the next stage. I'm going to cut my lemon into two. Add my lemon to it. Alright, so this stage is optional. Yes, it's optional. This is honey. If you don't have honey, you are free to go with this. If you have honey, you add just a few drops to it. Right. Now your drink is ready. You take those in the morning before breakfast. That is when you have waking up from the bed before breakfast, and in the evening before bed. Yes, within 3 days you're going to be surprised with what you will see. Yes. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also to share.